Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Design with TCD. My name is Tamoy. I am happy that you are here. Today we're going to look at how I created this beautiful gown called the D'Angelo Gown, which is named after the bride. This is a design that is showing at the moment. I hope that you'll enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I hope that you will come back because you will hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Enjoy! To make the D'Angelo gown, we will need our pattern pieces, which I draw from scratch. We will need lace fabric. We will need tulle. We will need satin fabric. I use crystal stretch satin. There are also a list of materials that we will need, such as beads, illusion mesh, and so on. For the bodice assembly, I did not get a chance to record the process of it, but I did include instructions on how to put it together. I hope that they are informative and straight to the point. This part might seem a bit tricky, so you can just pause the video and read it carefully. It's not as hard as it seems. Just go slowly. gown. You can see the happiness in her face. She loved it. It fit perfectly, and it was amazing. And then now we will see her on her special day, on the day of her wedding. She looked absolutely stunning. She loved it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.